Hey, I'll check out this new Roku battery camera. It also has a spotlight with it. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick unboxing, my initial thoughts, and then my review of it. So let's go ahead and set this up, and I'm going to show you what it's like. So it looks like pretty well packaged. Let's take a look here. Oh, look at that. I can tell it's going to probably be pretty bright with these two giant LEDs right here. Okay, it does come with a sticker to place on maybe like a window, and we have a quick start guide here, which is going to be perfect. All right, comes with the mount and also some mounting screws. And it does come with a plate and of course the USB-C for charging. All right, so setup was super simple. All you had to do was hold this for 10 seconds and then connect this to your phone after downloading the Roku Smart app. Now, the Smart app will go through a number of steps, but the first step is connecting it to the Wi-Fi. It's only compatible with the 2.4 gigahertz band and not the 5 gigahertz band. So keep in mind, if you are running dual bands, select the right one, otherwise it's not going to work. Now, and then after that, it's just a matter of getting the firmware updated. And as it's updating, it'll run you through a number of steps to do, such as naming this device, and also showing you what to do as far as installing. Installation looks fairly simple. You just have the mount and you screw 2 screws in it, and then you just hook this to the back of that, and you're good to go. You can move it as wherever you want to position it. You can position it. Now, as far as the sensitivity level, you can change the sensitivity as far as the motion sensitivity. You can maximize your battery life. You can also have AI smart features to let you know when there's a person at the door versus packages versus something else. And I love that there's like really bright lights on here for automatic night vision. Now, this will also connect to your Roku Smart TV if you have one. So if there's someone at your door, your Roku TV will just display that as you're watching TV. So that is pretty cool as well. Overall, I'm liking this so far, and I can't wait to really put it through its paces. As you can see from the footage and from the app, it looks fairly intuitive, very simple to use. You can see real-time footage on your phone. You can also talk to this device through your phone. So here you can see there's speakers right over here. Overall, I'm loving it so far. I can't wait to install it and really put it through its paces. So look for an update video pretty soon from me. Hope you all found this helpful and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.